Nothing Phone 2 is officially getting unveiled in the special event in India in July 11th. It's about 2 weeks from that, but this hasn't stopped Flipkart from starting to what is called pre-orders for the upcoming handset. They are hardly pre-orders, but it's more like a reservation system. You can pay rupees 2000 now, which is refundable by the way, to secure the order. Then you can go back from July 11th at 9 p.m. local time to July 20th at 11:59 p.m. local time to choose the variant and pay the remaining balance, thus claiming exclusive pre-order bonus. Here, this is the number of offers you have. You can get the nothing here stick TWS, which is around 4,250 rupees. A phone 2 case for 499. A phone 2 screen protector, which is 399 rupees, or a nothing 45-watt power adapter for 1,499. You can claim as many of you want. If you're interested in playing in this game and being one of the first people to pre-order the phone, then you can head over to the source linked below to pre-order. The date of the first open sales is set to be July 21st, where the pre-order period will end.